Hi guys, today we'll be removing Jaguar XF 2012 cluster remove, see how it's done, and the couple of things that you need here. I've got toolbox here, so you'll need a slitted screwdriver, star screws, bit, and you got another star one, just a bit thick one, and then slitted, and then an extension again. So that's all you need to get this taken out. So let's just get started. So the first thing you need to do is take out the steering wheel, so I'll make sure it's all the way out. So I'm just using the mountain on the side, just so press that and make sure it's all the way out and press it down so you have a nice and down, creating yourself a nice and easy space to work on. So the first thing you do is you'll see this little bit topper lid up there, so you need a small screwdriver, literally just pop it up open. And you see there'll be a start screwdriver, and then you start taking that out. So once you remove that, this should be pretty simple and easy to take out. So just a couple of clips there, so and then you can see, just try to pull it out. You got one screw here, just over there. Just one screw just under there.